Hey, welcome back to this channel again. So this video is just a follow-up to my previous video that I did talking about my earnings in the forex market. You guys had questions for me. I couldn't answer all, and some also wanted me to teach them, and I really suck at teaching people. So this video is just going to give you the basics, or let me say I'm going to give you guys the resources, free resources and tools that you need to trade in the forex markets. These are things that are already on the internet, but people find difficult to find these resources. I'm just going to put everything into one video for you. And so first of all, let me just give a little bit of context. If you have no idea what the foreign exchange market is or what forex trading is, it's basically you trading currencies against each other. Forex trading is quite similar to stocks trading, and this is how like people make their money. These billionaires and millionaires, investors and all that, that's how they make their money. So stocks trading is basically you investing into companies. Forex trading is investing into currencies. That's the difference. But I know much about forex trading because forex is much easier to get into rather than stocks trading. I gave an example in my previous video. Maybe I should just give it this way. This is for beginners, right? Let's say you're going to a new country or you're traveling to a new country that uses a different currency. You go to a forex bureau for them to change the currency to that country's currency for you. That's basically you trading currencies, buying and selling of currencies. A digital version of that is what we have in the forex market, trading currencies against each other. So buying and selling, and out of this you can make returns from it, and people make lots of money from it. Some people also lose lots of money from it. You lose money if you don't know what you are doing in the market, and you make money when you know exactly what you are doing in the market. So this video is just going to give you the courses or the free courses, the tools and everything you need to get started when it comes to investing your money in the forex market. So the first thing that I think every beginner should do is to learn the basics of forex, and there's a website that gives you all this information for free. It's actually like a free forex trading course online. The website is called is a babypips. I'll put a link in the description for you. So what babypips does is that babypips, you get to learn to trade for free, or you learn everything you need to know in the forex market for free. After learning that, you will need some tools and resources to be able to trade. First thing is for you to get a trading platform to trade on, a trading platform where you can execute your trades, you can buy and sell currencies against each other. With regards to this, the number one platform that every forex trader uses all over the world is MT4, or metatrader 4. So metatrader 4 is basically a platform that helps you to execute your trades, to buy and sell currencies against each other. If you're a beginner, you might find yourself trading with other apps or something like that, but please just stick to MT4, because MT4 really helps you to be able to trade professionally, or to be able to execute your trades the right way you're supposed to. There are apps and platforms that also give you this opportunity to trade, but I wouldn't advise you to do that, because you might end up losing money because you don't know what you are doing and you have no idea what you are doing in the market. So just stick to MT4. MetaTrader 4 is what everyone uses to trade forex. Stick to that and you'll be okay. The next thing is for you to get your broker account. After you download the MT4 app on your phone, you need to get yourself a broker account. Now, getting your broker account doesn't mean you're going to be trading with your own money now. I wouldn't even advise anyone to trade. If you're a beginner, do not get your ahead of time and trade with money. You are going to lose that money, definitely. What if the brokers do is to give you demo accounts, so you can have a demo account where you can log into MT4 with that demo account, so you have money to trade. But of course, it's not real money, but it is more like you're paper trading. That's what it's called. So fake money, if I should put it that way. So some brokers will give you $10,000, $50,000, $5,000, depending on what you choose, and then you can trade with that. So first of all, I mentioned you learning from babypips.com. Babypips gives you like all the theory and everything you need to know about forex. But of course, when it comes to the practicals of everything, the best place I think you should learn is on YouTube. Now, YouTube, you need to know exactly what you are looking for when it comes to YouTube. You can't just type how to trade forex on YouTube and then expect to find the best answer, because there are lots of forex strategies that people use to trade, and some work, some do not work. Some are very complicated, some are very simple. For me personally, I now stick to trading price action. Price action basically means trading what you see on the market, and so knowing your candles, knowing how to use the trend lines, knowing how to trade trade on levels and all that. So I stick to price action and that's it. Also learn how to trade with moving average. I stick to that, and that's what I do. And I learn all this from YouTube. So you can also do the same. Just go on YouTube and then type in how to learn how to trade price action in the forex market, and you'll find lots of resources on that as well. After you get your demo account, I would urge you to take your demo account seriously. Take a demo account seriously. See how much you can make out of that, your profit, consistent profit, because at the end of the day, making consistent profits is the most important thing. And so throughout your trading journey, my best advice is for you to trade with a demo account first. And of course, there are some things that you really need to take note of. You need to be very disciplined when you're trading. To be honest, you cannot be careless with your money when you're trading, because you're trading with money. Regardless of whether it's a demo account or a live account, you are still trading with money, and you need to be able to discipline yourself to be able to trade and make consistent profits, because it can be difficult out there. Forex trading is hard. Let me tell you, it is hard. It's not an easy thing. But of course, when you learn the skills required to trade, you are really going to reap the rewards of it. It's going to be very, very rewarding for you if you just try to learn first, just be disciplined about it, and you reap the reward. The next tool for you is, I mentioned trading with your candles. Now, there's this video on YouTube that is going around. That video is like, should I say, a leaked video from a premium forex trading course that's existed like in the past. I'll link the video for you. That video is gold on the internet. You really need to watch that video. Know your candlesticks, because if you don't know your candlesticks, if you don't know the candlestick formation when it comes to trading, how on earth are you going to know how to execute your trades and get out of trades the right way? You need to know your candlesticks, and so I'll link the video for you. It really gives you like everything you need to know when it comes to the candlesticks. So if you're a new trader, please learn how to use the candlesticks, because it's really going to help you. It's going to save you lots of money. It's going to save you from losing so much money. And another thing for you is to have a platform that you do your analysis on. So I mentioned MetaTrader 4, which is the MT4 app. The MT4 app mostly is for you to execute your trades. Of course, you can do your analysis in MT4, but most people like to use TradingView for their analysis. Even I like to use TradingView for my analysis. So when you look in the back, you can see that as well. But I always use TradingView for my analysis. TradingView helps you to do so much in the markets. For me, it has really saved me a lot, because I didn't know what I was doing at first. And so at first, I'll just be using indicators and all that. But when you open TradingView and you're trading price action, it's so easy for you. And so you do your analysis in TradingView, you execute your trades, and you execute your trades in the MT4 app. I'm sure that makes sense, right? So TradingView, you can pay for the monthly subscription or the yearly subscription. The advantage of paying for the subscription is that you get to be able to back test and use your alarms and all that. For me, I like to back test, so you can also do the same. But TradingView is free. The next thing is for you to have a system where you can be able to calculate your lot sizes. So your lot size is basically the amount of money you're willing to take out of your trading account balance to invest into the forex market. So let's say you have $10,000 in your account. Just for an example, you have $10,000 in your account, and you want to know how much you should be putting into the markets with regards to your risk to reward ratio. Having a system to be able to calculate your lot size is very important. So Stinu is an app that you use to calculate your lot size. Stinu used to be a free app where you can use to calculate your lot size depending on the currency you are trading, but quite recently, I think this year, they said it's no longer free, and so you have to pay for it. But if you want it for free, you can go on babypips.com. Babypips, the one I told you about, go on babypips. Babypips has a system where you can calculate, for you to calculate your lot sizes, and so you can do that as well without paying for Stinu, especially if you're a beginner. No one has the money to be investing into an app for now. You want to invest your money into what? Trading for now, right? So Babypips you can use to calculate your lot sizes. Stinu, you can also pay for that and use it. I'll link everything that I talked about, all the resources that you need. I'll put a link to them in the description for you, because it's very important for you to learn how to trade before you get into the market. Because at the end of the day, if you do not learn to trade and you want to get ahead of time and just invest your money, put your money in there, I bet you are going to lose it. You will lose it if you know nothing about what you are doing in the market. So please spend some time to learn. Of course, I'm one of those who started with a demo account and then after 2 days decided to invest my own money into it. And of course, I made a good amount of money on my fourth day. But the truth is, the subsequent times I lost so much money because I knew nothing about the market. And so my best advice to you, spend some time trading in a demo account first before you move on to a live account. When you do this and it goes well for you, yeah, I thank God for that. So leave a comment down below if you have any more questions. I can try and answer them in my next video for you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.